Hey Steph, good driving.
Thank you,
We gotta go forward though. This is backwards.
Oh, hang on.
Yeah,
It's
come
really
on.
heavy to turn.
Can't see anything. Sorry guys.
A romantic filter on.
Sorry, this is island humidity. Catch you later.
I'm afraid of their center lines now.
Because they're so bumpy.
Right? Okay, full power, speed is alive both places, looking good. And looking for 77, and the rotation speed, let's go. And light off. Let's go through our checklists.
I've got that.
Ooh,
I'm going to offer you some
I'm
snacks.
gonna have rice cakes, bro. So we're about 43 minutes from Provo, and we're level 9,000 feet. Flight level 090 rather. We stopped talking to Miami and they kind of canceled with us, and now we're kind of on our own. I guess we're kind of in a no man's land area in terms of radio coverage and radar coverage, I guess, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Beautiful turquoise waters everywhere.
Have you seen the colour down there?
It's amazing.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
There are too many islands and not enough time, that's the problem.
Yeah, exactly.
It'll be fun to do island hopping across, so
Yeah, yeah.
just short 20-minute flights just going in between all the islands.
It would be. And Provo approach, Cirrus November 122 Zulu reporting at Butler.
November 122 Sierra Zulu. Descend to 8,000.
Down to 8,000, 122 Zulu. Okay, and I guess let's go to 2996. Yep, just gonna give us a flight level. Okay, brakes are good, landing light is on. Alright, this is a little, I wouldn't say complicated, but it's different from what I'm used to, obviously. This is international flying. I can see the Turks and Caicos up ahead.
Hey, 1817 entering the hold
look
at
at that.
Dino.
November 122 Sierra Zulu. Report the distance of Dinos.
15.3 nautical miles, 122 Zulu.
Roger. On reaching Dinos, send to the hold as published.
I will enter the hold as published at Binos, 122 Zulu.
Yeah, 104 inbound.
I can feel the oxygen back into my brain.
The sweet, sweet oxygen. Like the startup sound on a computer.
Yep.
It's dung.
And I definitely want to slow down. Ooh, airplane wash.
Hey.
Cool.
Kilo
Where's the airport?
Descend 2,000 feet.
Hey, nice.
Descend 2,000 feet.
And approach 122 Zulu is reporting Binos.
To Sierra Zulu, roger. Make it a 10-mile leg in the hole, report turning inbound.
Okay, we'll make it a 10-mile leg and we'll report turning inbound 122 Zulu.
And 2 Sierra Zulu, descend 4,000.
Down to 4,000, 122 Zulu.
22 Sierra Zulu, distance, correction, position in the hole.
Like a 9th mile out from Binos, about to start turning inbound about now to Zulu.
Below the minimum approach speed, descend to 2,000 feet. Report on the inbound leg of the hole.
And approach 122 Zulu established inbound 10 miles from Binos right now.
Roger.
Roger. Roger.
122 Sierra Zulu is cleared R&P approach to runway 10. The QNH 2996 inches.
2996 and clear for the R&P approach 10, 122 thanks.
That's correct. Continue with the tower 119.9.
Over the tower, thanks. 2 good day. Provo Tower, good morning. Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu on the R&P 10.
Number 122 Sierra Zulu, keep your speed up and report Binos. What's your distance, Binos?
Distance Binos 7.5, we'll speed up 122 Zulu. Slow it down, speed up, slow back down.
There's a lot going on in this one.
122 Sierra Zulu, distance, Binos?
1.3, 122 Zulu.
They don't have any radar, huh? No, there's no radar, no ADSB, so it's all procedural. So they're literally just drawing a mental picture.
Wow. And tower 20 just crossed Binos.
November 122 Sierra Zulu, surface wind 110 degrees at 05 North runway 10, clear to land.
Runway 10, clear to land, 122 Zulu.
Show off.
Well, so this is really the first time that I'm actually flying in myself into Provo. So, it's cool. Okay. Well, that was interesting.
You need to fly in Australia more.
Yeah.
Where there's no tower, no ADSB, no radar.
It's a good FBO, right?
This place is wonderful.
It's nice.
This place is so good.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Great service too, right?
Do you want a coffee? You like your coffee?
I want a coffee.
You should make a coffee.
Yeah.
You should definitely make a coffee.
So we're just gonna go straight to South Caicos, file the VFR flight plan. For flights very helpful because I was able to export the form that they needed to file with Tower themselves.
So how do you like my airplane, Steph?
I love it. I'm very grateful that you've given it to me. Thank you very much. It's a wonderful gift. You're a good friend.
Look at the shipwreck. Oh my God. That's incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, what was the guy thinking to come over here with this boat?
214.
Yeah, I know.
Go ahead.
It's been shallow for like 20 miles.
What was he hoping that he was going to get out? Seriously?
South Caicos information, Cirrus November 122 Sierra Zulu is 4 miles to the northwest, 1,000 feet inbound.
Nice. That was nice and smooth, man.
Thank
See, you know how to fly, Cirrus.
It feels very familiar.
I knew you did.
A little bit of trouble trying to coordinate our transportation to the hotel.
The lady at the tower saved the day, actually. She was wonderful. She was really good. She heard us on the radio, and she'd already called ahead to book a car.
There's our guy right there. All right, Steph, we're eating.
Everything's better with chips.
Yeah, chips. We call them fries in America.
These are chips.
Well, I'm sorry, we're not in America. Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, it's 0 beer.